It's a haul! It's a good old haul. I haven't done one of these in a while because we are on an austerity drive because we just got a new house. These are some things that, you know, little bits of purchases that make me a little bit happy. It's always a happy day when the Marks and Spencer bag comes to your doorstep. I didn't get anything very exciting here, guys. It's a very sensible haul this time because I realized that I don't really go out anymore, especially with the restrictions coming in and out. I have enough nice clothes. I need some sensible clothes to go to the house while the renovations are going on. I need sensible clothes to go out with the kids. So that's what this bag is made of. I recently mentioned these sleeveless tops in my favorites video, and I'm the kind of person who, if I like a piece, I try to get it in various colors, and then I lie awake at night thinking, oh my god, I gotta get every color and more of the same color perhaps, because I'm scared it might be sold out. This is the sleeveless relaxed tank top, and this one is in this gorgeous olive green color. It's called the Relaxed. It's made out of recycled polyester. I am a size 16. It's just a really comfortable tank top, and living in Singapore where it's super humid and super hot, this is very comfortable. So this is the first of the 4 that I got this time, and you can wear this with everything, with shorts, with pants. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I already have 2 of the black ones, so this is my 3rd black piece. The way that it is cut, it's very, I mean, to me at least, I feel that it is flattering to my arms, and it just cuts off at the bottom at just the right length. This is the blue one. This is my 3rd or 2nd blue one as well, because blue goes with everything. Like honestly, when I go to the hospital and stuff, this is what I would be wearing. I don't usually get white, but I got a white one just for the fun of it. Just nice white one. It will go very well with like linen pants and some, you know, even with dark colored jeans it would go. Yeah, it's just a sleeveless tank top, which I really like. Obviously, I've gotten a lot of them. These next tops, I got it in 2 colors. They looked better in my head than when I received them. I thought that they would be made of like a nice, you know, silky-ish polyester material, but they are made out of cotton. This is the first one that I got. I liked it because of the sleeves. I actually thought it would be nice for me to wear during my videos. I usually don't have much time to dress up or anything, but I try to, you know, wear a decent top. So I thought this would be nice for it, but it's not that like dressy material. It is straight up cotton. The sleeves are a nice detail. They do flare out more than I thought they would. I thought that they would be more like cap sleeves, but it's kind of like dressy, but it's cotton, so it's not super dressy. I'm gonna wear these with jeans, maybe when I go on a date or something. Because I thought it would be nicer, I got it in a different color, another green. I would say this is a little bit of a muted green. I really wanted it in black, but it was sold out, so this is the green version. The sleeves make it look a little bit more ladylike than I would usually like it. It's nice. I just expected it to be of a better quality, but I would still get a good amount of use out of these. These are what they call their good moves culottes and culottes. Good Move is sort of like their gym wear, fitness wear kind of line. I have tried their sports bras before, didn't work out for me, but these are supposed to be like pants that will allow you to move very flexibly. Like if you feel like doing a cartwheel in the middle of the giant supermarket, or you feel like prancing and doing a split while you're taking care of your kids. I have this in black. So again, getting it in a different color, and I think I have it in dark blue. They are very comfortable. They are a little bit thicker than, you know, my linen culottes. They do give me a little bit of a VPL, which I don't really like, but so you just gotta pick your underwear well, because the butt area does like hug your butt. They do have little pockets here which disappear seamlessly when you zip it up. So I thought it was pretty cool. I actually did put my big ass phone in here. Like, my phone is pretty big, and I actually did put it in here, and it sealed it nicely. It did allow me to move about with my phone in my pocket and chase around Mika in the playground. The last two pens are joggers. I don't know why I got this. I blame watching videos on Fashion Nova and, you know, those fast fashion brands like Pretty Little Thing. I blame those videos because they are all about the jogger life and stuff. These are the joggers. I got it in white and also in olive green. They look nice, they look decent, but I don't love the way they look. I don't think they are the most like flattering pants that I own. You know, they're nice to, like, if you have the aircon blasting and you just want to cozy up with some loungewear. I guess these are nice, but these are meant to be worn out as well. The price is definitely not pajama prices. They have little pockets here, so very functional. They have a little tie back. They fit very well. They are warm joggers, so I think I'm gonna keep them for like movie night or something when I go to somewhere very cold, because it's quite warm. It is quite thick, so I'm not sure why they purchased this for Singapore weather. But yeah, the little cuffs here, I thought it would look a little bit cuter on me, but it didn't. It just kind of like hangs at an odd length. So that's the white one. The green one looks like this, and it's a nice color. I don't know, another one whereby it looks a little bit better in my head. I probably shouldn't buy multiple colors of that next time if I'm not sure about the fit. Right, next I'm going to move on to Aesop. I got one of these for my sister-in-law for her birthday, and then I got one for myself as well. This is their latest lip balm. I do like that this comes with a proper lip applicator rather than just like a pointed tube where you kind of have to use your fingers and all. At least with this, you can just apply it directly to your lips. Warm smelling. I'm not getting a lot of citrus smelling. It says here that it has nourishing formulation, exceptional moisturization for lips. This is the set that I got. I forgot what it's called. I think it's called the Wayfarer or something. But it does come, it came gift wrapped. I can't remember. Maybe I requested for a gift wrap just because I want to treat myself. It's called the Adventurer Roll Up. Alright, so this set is specifically for your hands. Again, very in tune with what society requires these days, which is, you know, hand care, because we use so much hand sanitizer. How cute is that? It is literally a roll-up. Okay, I get it now. It comes with a little like towel thingy, I think. Oh, wait, what is this? Are you supposed to tie this around your waist? I'm a little bit confused, guys. This is too abstract for me. I don't know. Oh, I think you're supposed to like fold it in. You can actually fold it in like that and it rolls up like that. Yeah, tie it around your waist as well. And then I think this is for you to hang it on your, like, wherever you want to hang it. I can't remember whether it came in different scents, but this particular scent is the Resurrection scent, and that is my favorite Aesop scent. This particular one is a little tube here, so you can actually bring it together with you and just wash your hands wherever you want to wash your hands. This is my favorite hand lotion, hands down. It's just a really nice scent to me personally, but also it moisturizes your hands really well, and it doesn't leave any kind of annoying sticky residue on your hands. So I used to use this a lot at work. Like, it will always be on my office table, and it's just, I love this product. I got this as a gift from my friend Jean. I got like the one piece, so I'm really happy now that I have a backup. It's a hand sanitizer and it doesn't leave any sticky residue as well. It smells amazing. Even through your mask, you can actually smell it. So I guess you just close it in there and just wrap it around. Not sure if I'm going to use like the little kit here, but you can always save it for other stuff, you know. What is it? It's just a cardboard box. This is my first purchase from Ana Luisa. It is a jewelry brand. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, you've probably gotten ads from them. I have had a couple of items, you know, as my wish list, but this time I finally did it and purchased it because of this first item. This is actually the MIM bracelet. Ignore my little cord here, but this is the collaboration that they have with Mel in Melbourne. She is, I think she's Malaysian, Chinese, Australian person, but she is a luxury YouTuber. She makes very professional videos, and she has designed it in such a way that it sits flat on your hand. It's made up of 14 karat gold plating on sterling silver, and it is a vermeil. I'm not very sure what that means, but I think it's sort of like a mix of metals, so it is of a higher grade than if you were to just get it gold plated, for example. It has tiny white topaz stones, so there's 3 of them, and 3 is my favorite number. It's open up to interpretation. The 3 stones here represent, of course, my kids. So when I saw it, I thought it was nice. The price is 170. I think right now they have a 20% discount, so I got it at $175. You do have to pay a little bit of taxes. I just find that given the material of it, given that it is white topaz, it is real stones, it is gold vermeil, it's just a better buy as opposed to getting something that is just, you know, man-made materials. It does sit very nicely on your hands. She does have three options for the length here, like the extenders, and I'm using the very last one. So I have actually been wearing this non-stop for about 7 days now, and I take a shower with it, I shower my kids with it, I do everything with it, I wash the dishes, and it's still staying of very good quality. It hasn't irritated my skin whatsoever. Can you see that it actually glistens a little bit? So it's really pretty. Definitely mommy friendly. I don't know much about the brand, but I do know that they one of their propositions is we will not be sending you the stuff in like super luxurious packaging because no one really saves them, but you're gonna get your money diverted to the quality of the pieces. So it's got the branding right there, and all the pieces that I got came in little linen bags. This is where the MIM bracelet came in. It just comes with a very simple tag that says what it is. See how cool the bag is? It's not just a normal like snap piece. It actually is a little bit magnetized, so you don't need a lot of effort to snap it closed. So these, I love this color. It's really pretty, again with that magnetic closure. So this is called the Rocks Mini earrings. It is made out, all of their pieces are 100%, if they use silver, it's 100% recycled silver, which is pretty cool. You know, you don't need to keep digging the earth for the metal if you already have it, right? It is 14 karat gold on sterling silver, so it's pretty tiny. They do have a bigger version of this, but because I'm stacking it with my other piercings, I decided to get the small one, and I thought it's quite cool because usually like the ear cuffs earrings, they are circular, but this one has more of a rectangular shape. I got these earrings. So these are their mini huggy hoops, and 14 karat gold on sterling silver as well. This is the piece which I had my eye on for a while. Ta-da! Isn't it gorgeous? So it comes with its tags here, and this is the Mara onyx ring. The black face is obviously onyx. I love onyx. I think it's a beautiful stone. It actually does have 14 karat gold plating, but it is gold on brass. I just love the simplicity of the ring, really. I love that it is not so ladylike. I love that I can wear it on all my fingers. This is how it looks like so no pinching whatsoever. It does feel like it's made of a pretty solid material. Because of the stone, this is probably not something I'd wear all the time, but it's a nice edgy piece for me to wear. I'm already looking forward to rocking it this Sunday when I do go out. So those are the things that I recently got. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. If you're still watching, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you're all hanging in there until I see you guys in my next one. Bye!